These wild birds are literally cleaning the streets. In Sweden, the birds receive a little food for every cigarette butt that they take from the streets and leave in a machine called Corvid Cleaning. This has been so effective that street cleaning costs have gone down by 75%. So the Swedish government is now training crows to pick up other types of trash as well. According to the founder, they are easier to teach, and they can learn from each other. At the same time, there's a lower risk of them mistakenly eating any rubbish. Some people think it is animal abuse. What do you think? Tell us in the comments.